baby tails.
Hello, fruit enthusiasts and budding artists. Welcome back to our creative space. Today, we're on a delicious journey as we draw and color some of our favorite fruits: apples, oranges, bananas, and pears. Let's start with the classic, the apple. Draw a round shape, at a stem, and let your imagination shine as we color it in. Whether it's a red, green, or a mix of colors, it's your apple masterpiece. Next up, the zesty orange. Draw a circular shape, add a little dimple at the top, and let's bring this citrus delight to life with vibrant colors. Oranges come in all shades, choose your favorite. Now, let's add a tropical twist with the banana. Draw a curve, shape, add a stem, and let's infuse this banana with sunny yellows and cheerful vibes. Feel free to get creative with the peel patterns. Last but not least, the sweet and juicy pear. Draw a tapered shape, add a little stem, and let's color this pear into a palette of greens and browns. Pears can be as unique as your imagination. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to draw and color. Let your creativity flow, experiment with different colors, and make these fruits uniquely yours. And there you have it, a fruity feast for the eyes. We've turned our paper into a canvas of deliciousness with apples, oranges, bananas, and pears. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and happy snacking.